Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Your license plate light bulbs are here and here. And to change those, open up the trunk. And they're the same for both sides. You reach up. You can unplug them if you want to remove the harness first. Pushing in the lock, pulling down the white connector. To remove the socket and the bulb, push together the two gray tabs. Pull them out. Bulb sits inside there. It's a 194 bulb. Pull it straight out. If it's difficult to get out, you can use some needle nose pliers to carefully pull it out. Don't crush the bulb. Kind of grab towards the base. Push it right back into place. I'm going to plug this one back in. And we'll put it back up into the light housing. And just clip into place, just like that.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.